and welcome to the latest in the Ask the Data Governance Coach video series. And the person who sent me today's question actually put at the start of the email, "I'm sorry, it's a stupid question." But I'm a great believer that there should be no such thing as a stupid question when it comes to data governance. If you feel that you need to ask the question, then that means that somebody hasn't explained it well enough to you. And that's why I do these videos, to help people get their heads around the terminology and what we're talking about when everybody starts talking about data, and in particular data governance. So today's question is not a stupid one. Today's question is, what is data wrangling? Now, the person who sent me in the email felt stupid because they felt that perhaps it was something they should be doing, but they didn't understand what it was, and they didn't want to look stupid by asking. So actually, the chances are you probably do have to do data wrangling in your job, whatever your job is. But whether you should be doing it is a different matter entirely. Now, I've actually heard the term data wrangling quite a lot over the past year or so, and I think people are using it to describe the situation where data isn't, perhaps where you would like it to be, or it isn't good enough quality for you. So what they tend to use the term to mean is the getting together data from various sources and doing something to it so that you can use it. And that could be amalgamating it into a spreadsheet. It could be cleansing and fixing the data. It could even be running around various people asking them to fill in the gaps that you've got on your spreadsheet. So data wrangling is unfortunately a necessary thing, and is very common in organisations that perhaps haven't yet got data governance in place or are very early on in their journey. But data wrangling tends to be used to describe the frustration that you have of doing these activities, of bringing together data from disparate systems or spreadsheets, or fixing data before you can do what you should do with it. So I don't think data wrangling is necessarily a good thing. It's definitely not a skill you should perhaps aspire to have. It's just something that unfortunately we have to do, a lot of us, in our jobs at the moment. But it should be one of the things we should be looking to eradicate by having data governance in place. So I hope that has helped you. If you've got any other terms that you would like me to explain, please do just email them in to questions@nicolaaskham.com, and I will cover them in future videos. And if you have found this video useful, please help me on my mission to help as many people as possible be successful with data governance by liking and sharing this on your choice of social media. Thank you.